Hi friends, let's see in this video how to fix or repair a broken PP or horn. If you have one that is broken, don't throw it away. Watch this video to fix it. I don't know what the name of this is, so if you know, please comment and tell me. If you don't understand the video, please watch it until the end. Make other cuts with other scissors as I show in the video. Watch the video till the end, and if you don't understand, comment and let me tell me. Take the other wire tape from the scissors as shown in this video. Attach the wire tape. Wrap the wire tape neatly like I show in the video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Please comment and tell me how you like the video. If you like the video, give it a like. If not, subscribe. If you are new to my channel, I will be watching the next video. Comment and tell me what video to make next.